Today I thought I'd just tell you a quick way that I've discovered to clean the Heki, H-E-K-I window above the shower. So let me just take you in there. When I'm cleaning the van, I find it really annoying. There's a bit of dust on there, look, it's filthy as well. Looking at this light, which is actually a skylight above the shower, which is great that it comes up and vents, but you can't get inside to clean it. So all you do is take a Torx bit, a number 10, try and show you that, Torx 10, and pop it in there, undo that one, that one, that one, and that one. Don't try and use anything else other than a Torx, T-O-R-X. Once you've undone the screws, you just simply pull the 4 screws out. They pull away. I've done the other side already, and then you just lift it out from the outside. There we are on the top, and just lift it off. Simple as that. Try not to lose the screws, and then take it indoors. So in an ideal world, I would have got the appropriate tool, the 25 hex, and taken those handles off, and then that would take that apart. But what I'm going to try and do, and if it doesn't work, I'll go and buy the appropriate tools, is I'm just going to put some Fairy on here and in there. And then I'm going to run water on it and swish it all around. So now we're full of soap suds. I'll leave it there for 20 minutes, let it soak in, then give it a shake around and then rinse it and see if that's done the job. Right, so let's see if it's done it. Oh, it seems to be getting that off quite nicely. So yeah, that's done it. So there you go. I'll just rinse that off, take it back, putting it back on, job done. I've just placed it back on there, and I just need to lift that onto there, and that one onto there. Very simple. That onto there, and that onto there somehow. Yeah, like that. And then put the screws back in, do it up, job done. Having just screwed it back on there, I've just suddenly thought maybe you could just put a long 25 hex through there, leave the handles on altogether, and just take the plastic bits off. If I was doing it again and I had a 25 long, then I'd do that, but you might want to try that.